what's going on? What's going on? Today we are working on a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta BR6. We are working on a hub and bearing on this vehicle. Start by taking off the wheel, the axle nut here, the brake calipers, and the bolts that are back here, the outer tie rods, the nut down here, the ball joints, the shock nuts and bolts back here, the ABS line that goes to the bearing here, unbolt and unplug all that off to get this assembly completely off. Once you get your hub and your bearing all back together, everything's all reverse ordered, bolts, nuts, it's all back reverse ordered. You know, your brakes, put all that back together. So it's pretty self-explanatory what you took off, what you put back in. So onward to the next.